students. I am Professor Sanjeevan Boite, Associate Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department at PCCOE. Would like to welcome you all on behalf of MDM team of 3D printing. As you know, Government of India has introduced National Education Policy 2020. NEP 2020 emphasizes the flexible curriculum, holistic development of students, and also a multidisciplinary approach in teaching learning. As a part of multidisciplinary approach, we are introducing a course of 3D printing for all the students of second year.
You might have heard about Industry 4.0, which is fourth revolution in industry. It deals with complete automation of manufacturing of various products. 3D printing is one of the pillars of Industry 4.0. Throughout this course, you will delve into the key areas essential for mastering 3D printing technologies, from an introduction to various 3D printing technologies to advanced computer-aided process planning. You will also gain insights into every step of the additive manufacturing process, understand the business context of 3D printing, and engage in integrated projects that stimulate real-world scenarios. You will be able to explore both polymer and metal-based additive manufacturing technologies with in-depth case studies, ensuring you are prepared for industry demands, and gain the insights into the environmental, economic, and business perspective of 3D printing, an emerging technology shaping industries worldwide.
Are you passionate about technology and innovation? Imagine a career where you can implement your ideas in real life layer by layer. So with the increasing field of 3D printing, with your creative skill and technical skills, we can revolutionize the world from aerospace to healthcare.
Embrace the opportunity in 3D printing, where your ideas shape the world.
This is the enthusiastic team of faculties from mechanical engineering. So join us on this transformative journey into the future of manufacturing. Enroll for this MDM and unlock the possibilities of 3D printing. You can join this course through your ERP login after learning about all the MDMs at the start of semester. Thank you.